guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and do not forget to subscribe. And then today we're gonna be trying an airband wig from Julian Hair, so let's dive right into it. So this is the Julian Malaysia coily wig in 22 inches. Okay. Yep. The wig is only available in 150 density. I need to prep my edges for this video as I use the basic edge control. I use some got-to-be glue and the magic brush that every time for see hair person has, and then I tied my hair with a silk scarf for 30 minutes because I was in a rush to make this video, and I laid my edges to my best ability. So the wig has 4 combs, yeah, and then this band. Then one thing I noticed is this band is not attached round, right, compared to some other wig, but it looks good, so let's just try it on. I'm gonna start by inserting the first comb just right in front. Then I'm gonna try to get the wig out of my way so I can put on the band or at the back. I do not want the band to snatch, any of my edges. Okay, so for someone with a small head circumference like mine, this band is way too large. I think those other wig caps who have like an adjustable band would be way better. But the good thing is there is a clip at the back which you can just attach to keep it firm at the back. And Jackie conditioner. So this is a leave-in conditioner, just in case you're wondering. So now we're gonna try some airband. So these are the styles I can think of at the moment. If you want to see more styles, make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna be working this week for summer. And you guys should let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you want me to make more content like this? Do you think headband wigs are the holy grail, the new holy grail for type 4C hair? Because I love clippings, but the thing about clippings, I have to manipulate a lot of my hair. But the headband wig is just more comfortable. I just keep my hair in twist and I just lay down my edges. Unlike ponytail where you have to manipulate your hair to lay it flat, and frontals just take a lot of time. So especially when you're working from home and you just want to look good and not put in so much effort, like headband wigs are just the best option right now, honestly. So you guys should leave a comment, like this video, share, subscribe. If you've watched this video up to this point, I hope you subscribe and join the family. I'll see you guys in my next video.